Good evening, mates. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Tertiary Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing on 4th October 2020, I am going to be shooting another video about another service launched by Tertiary Consulting. But before I start, let me remind you that like any other YouTube videos, our YouTube videos also having the dialog box provided by the YouTube. In this dialog box, there is a link, there is a paragraph followed by a link. If you click on this link, then you would be able to reach to the free groups provided by Tertiary Consulting. Of course, these groups are complementary in nature. You can reach them, you can enjoy them. There is an ample of research report and free service which is being provided here. Please also understand that on 4th October 2020, we launched another YouTube channel, and the name of the channel is Impetus X. I understand that as it is a very fresh channel, so you might not find in the search section of the YouTube. So if you wish to have a link of Impetus X, you can contact us and there is a link we will provide you. You can join this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is about motivation for the young people. Coming back to topic, we understand that every country of the globe is having a stock exchange. India, US, Germany, Russia, Australia, Singapore and all. And like all these countries, there are ample of companies, those who are listed in that country. But that doesn't mean that if you are listed, you will come in the index also. So example, there are thousands of companies that are listed in India, but how many of them are in Nifty and how many of them are in BSE? Very small component. And in fact, majority of the companies are similar when it comes to BSE and NSE. So the element of differentiation is extremely limited. Few of these companies on a very often basis will continue to do corporate actions, which is also known as CA. Now the corporate action means that either it is a split share, either it is a spin-off, either it is a spin-out, either it is a kind of M&A, either it is delisting, or various of doing private placement bonds, FPO, offer for sale, and there is a hell lot of things which we have which are coming in the social domain. Like if we speak about India, there are many companies which we have in India, those who are currently in the process of delisting. In some cases, the delisting price is finalized, and in some cases, delisting price is not yet finalized. It is just a rumor. Similarly, many companies in India are on an often note doing stock split. Just like recently Laurus Lab did stock split to 5:1, and this led to a very good benefit to the investors. That is a different thing, that I have not seen a single column in the media that Laurus Lab stock split end up having a substantial return to the investors. Especially at the time when the pharmaceutical sector of the globe, not India, of the globe is under radar, and the big boys are taking positions in the pharmaceutical sector. Doing stock split at that point of time is really an interpretation issue between me and Laurus. I think that this might not be conducive for Laurus to do stock split now, but definitely for investors it is conducive. So you can say that. This is my opinion, personal opinion. But anyways, it is a good deed by Laurus that they go ahead with the stock split. Similarly, there are many companies in the list, those who are about to do the stock split. Some will do in October, some do in November, some do in December. Maybe, of course, next year as well. So basically, when the market or a sector is up, like today pharmaceutical sector is in radar, companies prefer stock split. In some cases, when the markets are bad, companies prefer buyouts. We already made a video about the buyout that around 226 billion worth of buyout happened only in the last few months, which is, by the way, a big amount. Our hedge fund desk will now start taking positions in the stock split. And as you very well understand that we are least bothered about Hindi media and what people write about us, especially C category people on the social media. I preferably feel that taking a position in a stock split is a much better way than doing intraday buy and selling. And a stock split can be hedged in three ways. Way number one, we can use options on that stock, provided that stock is in F&O category. Option number two, we can simply sell that stock, little risky. Option number three, and very important, we can create a structure on that stock, which I think is the best way out. And of course, last but not the least, once you do that, then are you going to be taking a requisite position again? For example, Loris. Loris was around 1480 when they did the stock split, or somewhere 1450, between that range. And they did the stock split and stock straight went to 290. Not bad. Because of course the ratio is 5:1. It is like recently Apple did, Tesla did. Tesla was around 1500 when Tesla announced the stock split, and shoo, they come to $300. And now somehow they are battling the crisis, but that's a separate issue. The point here is pretty simple and nice, that stock split is one of the wisest way to hedge exposure, and I think the safest. But once again, an appropriate research is required. And as we understand that, Rishi Consulting not only having Bloomberg but also Reuters, so finding information is really not tough for us. The only thing is the research, where we are very good. So effective 4th October, we are starting a new service of stock split, but that will only for our prime customers. That is not for the general public. And more importantly, 8th October 2020, another stock split is on the card. But this time, the company is not as big as we have Loris. Are we going to take a position in that company? If yes, then how? If no, then how? That is more important. But eventually, in the last 1.5 months, we did a lot of research on the stock splits, and we got to know that this is a very good area to expand and good area to enter into, provided you have research, and we always work on research. After stock splits, our company will enter into another segment, which is split out and split in. Example, there is a big group always have many listed companies, and they decided that let this company be out of the game. Out of the game means remove them from the group architecture, let them work separately. Or alternatively, there is a big group whereby one good company who is doing good business, good money, good profit, but somehow it is not listed, let this company be listed and join in. Spin off, spin out. There is another which is spin in also. And next is that. So with this, we definitely thank you very much. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. As you very well understand that Rishi Consulting Group is not worried about people. We are not worried about feedback. We're not worried about what this Hindi media and the so-called sponsored people, especially C category people, think about us. What we understand wisely and clearly is that and as depicted by Reliance and Amazon as well, that recession is only on the paper. Recession is in your brain, but it is not anywhere. You just need to work hard to make sure that you reach to your level. And I think that whatever our research suggests, I have hardly seen anyone talking about stock split. And here we are. You know our WhatsApp, 9818485155. You know any information, you can definitely contact us. Have a good time. Talk soon.